This is the best travel trailer that we have for two. That's right, mother hackers, I'm back. I'm back in the States, in the US of gosh dang A. Returning from my trip to Japan. If you haven't seen those videos, check them out. I went to a Japanese RV show, checked out some Japanese RVs. But now I'm back in the Mitt, back in Michigan, checking out some good old American RVs. This sucker's just under 24 feet and just over 5,200 pounds. There is a backup camera mount available. We also have an outdoor shower here in the rear. Spare tire right next to that. And then a ladder all the way up to your fully walkable roof. Up here we got 200 watts of solar with options to add more. Your max air fan to keep the stinkies out of the bathroom. And then a Coleman Mach AC up top. Back down below, underneath your underlit 15-foot awning, you got 2 outdoor speakers for bumping the tunes by the fire. Frameless tinted windows, keeping it classy and sleek. And then we got a rail right here. You can mount like the outdoor griddle and table that are currently stored in your pass-through here. Next to that, you got your power outlets and TV hookup, as well as a mount for an outdoor TV. Let's check out the inside of this John, see what we're working with here. Ooh, wowie zowie, I sure like that. Plenty of open space in here. One cool thing about this interior, you can close the slide all the way and still have plenty of room to move back and forth. Why don't I show you real quick? Let's see what it looks like with the slides closed. And wowie zowie. Plenty of space still. Not only is there plenty of space to walk around, but like everything's still fully functional. I still got my entire bed. It's not blocked off from anything. Fireplace is down here. I can watch the TV from my chair. Can still access the entire kitchen. So, you know, the additional space from this slide is completely optional, really. Got a queen bed here. You got a handle under that thing. Plenty of storage space. 3 drawers here as well. Little sock and underwear drawer action. 32-inch smart TV. It's over top your electric fireplace. Change the colors if you'd like. And these are both across from our dual theater recliners. If you want to snuggle up, you can get rid of this middle piece. But I like the middle piece. It's got a wireless charger here. A little storage area for your remotes. I know I'm always losing mine. And then they each got cup holders. Right here, you can mount like a TV dinner tray that'll swivel in and out. I think that's tucked in the pass-through storage currently. Kitchen area. We got our extendable countertop space here. Pretty incredible stuff. 3-burner gas stove under a little glass top, as well as a decent sized oven. Microwave is above that. Then we got our undermount sink, easy to wipe the crumbs right in. Cool piece of cardboard with some stats. And then we got the roly-poly dish drying rack, so satisfying. Plenty of drawer space below. We got a nice little pantry here. Good depth on that sucker though. Refrigerator over here. Travel lock is built right into that thing. 10 cubic feet, probably. And then we got more pantry space here. So, you know, a lot of space for your dry goods. Last but certainly not least, we got the banyo, or as they would say in Japan, toire. Toire des. It is a porcelain foot flush toire. We got an underlit sink here, pretty snazzy. Travel lock on your shower. You're going to want to keep that closed when you're going down the road. Here we got a water miser to save you some hot water, as well as a skylight. If you got any questions on this camper, please let me know. The phone number is in the bio.